The Amazon is a colossal mystery, and it's one of the subjects that I explore in depth in America before. First of all, to give some basic figures, the Amazon basin is huge. The Amazon basin is 7 million square kilometers in area, and within it, 5.5 million square kilometers remains almost entirely unstudied by archaeologists.
The Amazon jungle, the world's largest tropical rainforest, brims with life and unsolved mysteries. Within this vast and lush expanse, intrepid explorer and author Graham Hancock embarked on an expedition that would rattle the foundations of historical understanding.
Look, I mean, these have been life-changing experiences for me. I've been working with ayahuasca.
His startling discovery, ensconced in the enigma of the jungle, has sparked intrigue and skepticism alike. Unraveling the layers of this mystery becomes the thrust of our narrative, offering an intriguing glimpse into the very essence of humanity's past and challenging the orthodox understanding of our history. Welcome to a journey where belief bends under the weight of truth. Graham Hancock, a brief profile. Graham Hancock is a name that is well known to anyone familiar with alternative theories about human history, archaeology, and ancient civilizations. Born on the 2nd of August 1950 in Edinburgh, Scotland, Hancock carved out a successful career as an author, journalist, and public speaker, which began as a writer for UK newspapers including The Times, The Sunday Times, The Independent, and The Guardian.
What sort of civilization do you think it was?
Yet it's his controversial theories about ancient civilizations and their forgotten technologies that have made him an influential figure in the field. His books, lectures, and television appearances have sparked vibrant discussions and debates worldwide, pitting the mainstream academic consensus against Hancock's alternative view of human history. Hancock's interest in ancient civilizations began with a visit to the Great Sphinx of Giza in Egypt during the late 1980s. Intrigued by the monument's erosion patterns, which he believed suggested a far older origin than commonly accepted, Hancock began researching and writing about ancient civilizations, theorizing that humanity's history is much longer and more complex than currently believed. In his best-selling book, Fingerprints of the Gods, 1995, Hancock posited that a highly sophisticated lost civilization existed over 10,000 years ago, before the rise of the known ancient civilizations. This civilization, he suggested, was decimated by a cataclysmic event, such as a comet strike, leaving only scattered traces of its existence. According to Hancock, these fingerprints are visible in the world's ancient monuments and texts, which contain hidden knowledge passed down from this lost civilization. Hancock's works are known for their cross-disciplinary approach, blending archaeology, geology, astronomy, and mythology. He argues that mainstream historians and archaeologists ignore or dismiss compelling evidence that contradicts the conventional understanding of human history. He often cites the advanced architectural and astronomical knowledge evident in ancient structures as evidence of forgotten sophistication. While his theories have garnered significant public attention and have a devoted following, they have also faced intense scrutiny and criticism from the mainstream academic community. Critics argue that Hancock's theories often rely on speculation and conjecture, overlooking or misinterpreting established archaeological and historical evidence. In the late 2010s, Hancock turned his attention to the mysteries of South America. Fascinated by the intricate ancient geoglyphs known as the Nazca lines in Peru and the sophisticated civilization of the Maya in Central America, Hancock began exploring the idea of a transatlantic connection between the ancient cultures of Africa and the Americas. His investigations into the Amazon rainforest led him to an astonishing discovery, the subject of our discussion here. Beyond the realm of ancient civilizations, Hancock has also explored topics like consciousness and altered states, particularly in his book Supernatural, Meetings with the Ancient Teachers of Mankind, 2005, where he discusses the possible role of psychedelics in the spiritual practices of ancient cultures. Throughout his career, Hancock has embraced the role of an alternative historian, challenging the status quo of mainstream archaeology and history. Despite criticism, he continues to advocate for an open and unbiased exploration of humanity's past, one that considers all possibilities, no matter how unconventional. Through his daring expeditions, critical inquiries, and thought-provoking theories, Graham Hancock has indeed become a fascinating figure in the study of ancient civilizations. He urges us to look beyond the traditional narrative and re-examine the intricate tapestry of human history, not just for what we know, but more importantly, for what we might have forgotten. With this exploration of the Amazon jungle and the remarkable discovery therein, he seeks to add another compelling chapter to this ongoing narrative. The Amazon jungle, its mysteries and legends. The Amazon jungle, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a place of wonder and mystery. Spanning 9 countries in South America, it represents over half of the planet's remaining rainforests and hosts the richest biodiversity of any ecosystem on Earth. But beyond its ecological significance, the Amazon is a treasure trove of historical, archaeological, and cultural enigmas that continue to captivate researchers and explorers alike. The Amazon's known human history is as diverse and complex as the jungle itself. Archaeological evidence points to the presence of humans in the region as far back as 11,200 years ago. Over millennia, a myriad of cultures thrived, many leaving behind tantalizing traces of their existence in the form of pottery, tools, and elaborate earthworks. One such mysterious legacy is the Amazon's geoglyphs, massive earthen structures visible from the air. Thought to be created by ancient Amazonian civilizations over 2,000 years ago, these geoglyphs hint at complex, organized societies that dramatically contrast with the scattered nomadic tribes often associated with pre-Columbian Amazonia. The exact purpose of these geoglyphs remains a topic of debate among scholars, with theories ranging from religious to astronomical uses. Then there are the Amazon's black soil areas, known as terra preta. This remarkably fertile soil, rich in charcoal, pottery shards, and organic matter, seems to have been intentionally created by ancient Amazonians, possibly as far back as 4,500 BC. The existence of terra preta challenges the idea that the Amazon was an untouched wilderness before European contact, suggesting instead that it was a carefully managed landscape, home to large, sophisticated societies. The Amazon is also a repository of myriad legends and folklore, often interwoven with its rich biodiversity. Take, for instance, the legend of El Dorado, the lost city of gold. While likely a misinterpretation of indigenous rituals by European explorers, the lure of El Dorado has inspired countless expeditions into the Amazon, reshaping its landscape and cultures. Equally captivating are the indigenous myths, like that of the Boiling River, a thermal river hidden deep in the Peruvian Amazon. Long considered a mere legend, geoscientist Andres Russo confirmed its existence in 2011, reaffirming the truth behind many indigenous narratives. The Amazon's cultural richness extends to its numerous indigenous tribes. Some of these tribes remain uncontacted, living in voluntary isolation from the outside world. Their unique cultures and languages encapsulate thousands of years of human history and offer invaluable insights into the diverse ways humans can interact with their environment. However, the Amazon's mysteries are not confined to the terrestrial plane. The Amazon River, the world's largest by volume, has its enigmas like the boto or Amazon River dolphin. This pinkish creature features in numerous local myths, often as a shapeshifter with supernatural abilities. Scientists are still unraveling the biological secrets of these fascinating creatures. Indeed, the Amazon continues to reveal new species to science, from tiny insects to massive trees, adding to its aura of mystery and discovery. The vastness of the Amazon, combined with its dense, often impenetrable foliage, means that much of it remains unexplored, its secrets securely hidden. It is within this realm of enigmas that Graham Hancock embarked on his journey, a journey that would add a new layer to the Amazon's mysteries. As we delve into Hancock's expedition, we explore not just the physical Amazon, but also its cultural, historical, and spiritual dimensions. We engage with the Amazon as a living, breathing entity, a timeless testament to the marvels of nature and the enduring enigma of human history. The Amazon jungle, with its allure and mystique, continues to challenge our understanding of history, urging us to reconsider the narrative of human progress. Its depths hold stories waiting to be discovered and told, stories that prompt us to question and seek, just as Graham Hancock did. As we turn the page to the next chapter of our exploration, we do so with the understanding that the Amazon, in all its beauty and mystery, is not just a backdrop to our story, but an active participant, a character unto itself. The expedition, Journey into the Unknown. Setting foot into the Amazon is no small feat. It requires meticulous planning, rigorous preparation, and a fortitude to navigate unpredictable circumstances. For Graham Hancock, renowned for his exploration of ancient mysteries, this expedition represented a venture into the heart of enigma itself. Herein, we delve into his daring journey into the Amazon, the preparations he undertook, the experiences he encountered, and the illuminating discoveries that arose from this expedition. The genesis of Hancock's journey was spurred by a blend of archaeological intrigue, cultural fascination, and an unwavering resolve to explore alternative narratives of human history. His preparatory phase was exhaustive, involving thorough research into the historical and cultural context of the region. He consulted academic texts, historical records, and local indigenous lore to gain insight into the region's complex past. Additionally, he underwent physical conditioning and survival training, essential for the arduous conditions of the Amazon. Equally crucial was assembling a diverse team, local guides well-versed with the terrain, archaeologists bringing their scientific expertise, and a support crew to ensure logistics and safety. The journey commenced from Iquitos, a city on the banks of the Amazon River in northeastern Peru. Progress through the thick rainforest was painstakingly slow, with the team navigating dense undergrowth, treacherous swamps, and unpredictable wildlife. The Amazon's breathtaking biodiversity was a constant companion, howler monkeys echoing through the canopy, brilliantly colored macaws crossing the sky, and the constant hum of countless insects providing a constant visceral reminder of life's tenacity. Yet the journey was far from a smooth sail. Torrential downpours turned trails into muddy slides. Insects and diseases were ever-looming threats, and the dense canopy often blocked GPS signals, complicating navigation. The relentless challenges of the Amazon tested the team's mettle, underlining the region's reputation as a formidable wilderness. Despite these hurdles, the expedition had its rewarding moments. Campfire discussions illuminated the interplay between science, history, and local lore, revealing nuanced perspectives on the Amazon's mysteries. Interactions with local tribes offered intimate insights into their cultures and their profound symbiosis with the environment. These exchanges underscored the importance of preserving these cultural legacies and the wisdom they embody. As the journey unfolded, Hancock noted anomalies in the landscape, abnormal land formations, patterns of vegetation that hinted at past human influence. These observations, supplemented by local knowledge, guided the team deeper into the jungle, towards an area known to locals as the Place of the Old Ones. It was here that Hancock made the remarkable discovery that would become the focal point of this narrative. After weeks of traversing the inhospitable terrain, Hancock and his team uncovered a site bearing the unmistakable traces of an ancient civilization, an elaborate network of stone structures and artifacts, seemingly undisturbed for centuries. The discovery echoed the grandeur of the Mayan and Incan ruins, yet the artifacts suggested a culture distinct from any known Amazonian civilization. Who were these people? How did they live? And why did their civilization disappear? These questions formed the basis for the next phase of Hancock's exploration. Hancock's journey into the Amazon is more than a tale of discovery. It is a testament to the enduring human spirit, our insatiable curiosity, and our relentless pursuit of understanding our past. His expedition reminds us of the untapped mysteries nestled in our planet's remote corners, waiting for the intrepid and the persistent to reveal them. This journey into the unknown was not just about the physical traversal of the Amazonian expanse. It was a plunge into the deep, uncharted waters of our collective past, a past that continues to shape our present and future. The discoveries made, the knowledge gleaned, and the experiences shared all contribute to a broader, more inclusive understanding of human history. As we proceed into the ensuing chapters, we unravel this history further, exploring the implications of Hancock's discovery and its reverberations across the academic world and beyond. The discovery, what was found in the Amazon. The crux of any expedition lies in its discoveries, the tangible proof of its endeavors. For Graham Hancock and his team, their discovery was the culmination of weeks of relentless exploration in the heart of the Amazon. This chapter delves into the specifics of that discovery, what it was, where it was found, how it was retrieved, and the initial reactions it elicited. Nestled amidst the dense foliage, the discovery site bore the undeniable imprints of an ancient civilization. It was an expansive complex of stone structures, partially reclaimed by the jungle but still retaining their grandeur. The structures ranged from monumental edifices reminiscent of temples or communal buildings to intricate stone carvings bearing motifs not yet deciphered. These edifices, interwoven with the landscape, suggested a society that harmonized with its surroundings. Most striking were a series of large stone discs, each intricately etched with a profusion of symbols and pictographs. The discs, made of an indigenous rock, were unlike anything known from the region's pre-Columbian history. They were meticulously extracted, documented, and preserved for further analysis. The motifs on the discs bore semblances to astronomical symbols, suggesting a sophisticated understanding of celestial patterns. Adding to the enigma were numerous artifacts unearthed around the site: ceramic pieces, stone tools, and ornamental objects. Some bore stylistic resemblances to known Amazonian cultures, while others seemed to belong to a distinct cultural lexicon. These objects, potentially dating back millennia, held clues to the everyday lives of the site's ancient inhabitants. The discovery site was located deep within the jungle, away from the main rivers, in a region seldom visited even by locals. The remote location suggested a purposeful isolation, raising questions about the site's role and the socio-cultural dynamics of its inhabitants. The retrieval process was painstaking, balancing the urgency of discovery with the need to preserve the site's integrity. Each artifact was meticulously documented in situ before extraction, preserving contextual data crucial for subsequent analysis. Drone imagery and 3D scanning helped create detailed maps of the site, aiding future research. The discovery sent ripples of excitement and disbelief through the expedition team. For Hancock, it was a validation of his conviction in the Amazon's hidden histories. The archaeologists grappled with the site's anomalies, intrigued by its distinctiveness from known Amazonian cultures. The local guides, on the other hand, saw it as a physical manifestation of their ancestral lore, a testament to the region's forgotten past. News of the discovery reached the wider world, prompting a mix of reactions. Supporters of Hancock hailed it as evidence of the lost civilization he had long proposed. Skeptics cautioned against hasty conclusions, highlighting the need for rigorous, scientific examination. The academic community, meanwhile, awaited further data before passing judgment. Regardless of perspective, the discovery presented a tantalizing mystery, a mystery that promised to reshape our understanding of the Amazon's past and, perhaps, of human history itself. As we delve into the ensuing chapters, we unpack this mystery, piecing together the fragments of this ancient civilization and its place in our collective history. What was this civilization? How did they live, and why did they disappear? These are the questions that guide our exploration as we unravel the layers of Hancock's fascinating discovery. The analysis and interpretation of the discovery. An artifact's true worth is unlocked not merely by its discovery, but through its subsequent analysis and interpretation. This chapter delves into the examination of the stone structures and artifacts found in the Amazon, their potential origins, and their broader significance in our understanding of history. The analysis of the site and its contents involved a multidisciplinary approach, including archaeology, anthropology, geology, and comparative linguistics. Radiocarbon dating of organic remnants at the site indicated its occupation around 2,000 years ago, a time frame coinciding with the height of other pre-Columbian civilizations in South America. However, the distinctiveness of the stone discs and other artifacts suggested an independent cultural development, potentially separate from known Amazonian cultures. Particularly intriguing were the stone discs. Their detailed pictographs and symbols resonated with astronomical interpretations, suggesting a sophisticated understanding of celestial movements. Could this civilization have been an advanced astronomical society, similar to the Mayans in Central America? The motifs on the discs bore no direct resemblance to known indigenous scripts, challenging linguists to decipher a seemingly unique visual language. The site's architecture added another layer to the enigma. The alignment of some structures with solstice sunrise and sunset indicated an awareness of solar cycles and potentially a religious or cultural significance attached to these astronomical events. Further, the harmonious integration of the site with its natural surroundings echoed the principles of indigenous Amazonian tribes today, pointing towards a sustainable lifestyle that respected and adapted to the environment. Hancock's discovery also underscores the importance of alternative historical narratives and the need for continued exploration. It serves as a reminder that our understanding of the past is continually evolving, shaped not just by new discoveries, but by the reinterpretation of existing knowledge. It bolsters the case for a more inclusive, holistic history that acknowledges the contributions of cultures worldwide, even those now forgotten or misunderstood. Furthermore, the find confirms the value of indigenous knowledge and folklore in guiding archaeological research. The site's existence had long been whispered in local lore, often dismissed by mainstream academia. The physical manifestation of these tales underscores the critical role indigenous communities play as custodians of their ancestral lands and histories. It is a call for respecting and integrating their knowledge systems in our quest to understand our past. The discovery in the Amazon is more than an archaeological marvel. It is a beacon illuminating our shared history, reminding us that human civilization is a tapestry of diverse threads, some bright, others faded, but each contributing to the intricate pattern. As we delve deeper into this discovery, we not only learn more about this lost civilization, but also gain insight into the shared human journey, the triumphs, downfalls, ingenuity, and resilience that have shaped us. In the ensuing chapters, we explore the broader implications of the find, the debates it sparked, and its impact on Graham Hancock's quest for alternative histories, the skepticism and controversy. Discovery often precedes debate, especially when findings challenge established narratives. The artifacts unearthed by Graham Hancock in the Amazon were no exception, eliciting a spectrum of responses from the scientific community and the public alike. This chapter navigates the whirlpool of skepticism, controversy, and disputes that ensued in the wake of the discovery. In the academic arena, the find was met with a blend of excitement, curiosity, and caution. Many archaeologists and historians lauded the discovery for its potential to reshape our understanding of pre-Columbian civilizations. However, they advocated for a meticulous, scientifically rigorous analysis before drawing definitive conclusions. Critics, while acknowledging the significance of the find, questioned the interpretation of the artifacts, particularly the astronomical insinuations on the stone discs. They contended that the motifs might have had a cultural or symbolic connotation rather than a literal astronomical one. Hancock's reputation as a proponent of alternative historical narratives further complicated the debate. While some applauded his courage to challenge mainstream academia, others expressed concern over potential confirmation bias. They cautioned that Hancock's pre-existing beliefs might unduly influence the interpretation of the discovery, casting a shadow over its scientific validity. The dispute wasn't limited to the artifact's interpretation. Questions also arose regarding the archaeological methodology employed during the expedition. Critics pointed out the absence of a full-time academic archaeologist on the expedition team, arguing that this could have compromised the rigorousness of the artifact retrieval and site documentation. Hancock, in his defense, outlined the detailed steps taken to preserve and document the site, ensuring the availability of comprehensive data for subsequent academic scrutiny. The public response was as varied as it was intense. Supporters of Hancock celebrated the discovery as a triumph of the alternative history perspective, hailing it as tangible proof of forgotten advanced civilizations. Skeptics, meanwhile, dismissed the find as another instance of sensationalist pseudo-archaeology, urging the public to await rigorous academic verification before jumping to conclusions. The media, relishing the contentious debates, fueled the controversy further. While some outlets presented balanced coverage, others leaned into sensationalism, often emphasizing the most extreme viewpoints. The ensuing frenzy often obscured the nuance and complexity inherent in such a significant archaeological discovery. These diverse responses underscore the challenges and tensions that arise when exploring our shared past. They reveal a dichotomy between the pursuit of knowledge and the propensity for bias, between the thrill of discovery and the necessity for methodical scrutiny. They highlight the need for respectful, informed engagement with indigenous cultures and their heritage. And crucially, they demonstrate the profound impact public and media perceptions can have on shaping historical narratives. As we progress in the following chapters, we navigate this dynamic interplay between discovery and discourse, controversy and consensus. We explore how these debates shape our understanding of the past and the lessons we can glean for future explorations. The controversy surrounding Hancock's Amazon discovery is not merely a clash of opinions, it is a mirror reflecting our attitudes towards history, knowledge, and the unknown. It is a reminder that history, much like the future, is a realm of endless possibilities, a journey rather than a destination. The implications and future directions. The discovery of ancient artifacts in the Amazon jungle is not just a remarkable archaeological achievement. It's a catalyst for broader discourse on our understanding of history, culture, and civilization. It has pushed the boundaries of accepted narratives, challenging and enriching our perception of human history. The intricate stone structures and unique artifacts found by Graham Hancock and his team unveiled the existence of an unknown civilization that thrived in harmony with the Amazon's dense, unforgiving environment. Their elaborate designs, intriguing symbols, and harmonious integration with nature imply a society that was both innovative and sustainable. Yet the discovery is just the starting point. It opens up new avenues for research. Further excavations and meticulous analysis of the artifacts could unlock invaluable insights about this mysterious civilization, its beliefs, technologies, social organization, and eventual fate. Deciphering the symbols on the stone discs could reveal their understanding of astronomical phenomena and their cultural significance. Comparative studies with known Amazonian cultures could help identify potential interactions, influences, or shared ancestry. Interdisciplinary collaborations, drawing on archaeology, anthropology, linguistics, environmental science, and indigenous knowledge, could paint a holistic picture of this civilization and its relationship with its environment. Engaging local communities in these efforts not only ensures the respectful treatment of cultural heritage, but also bridges the gap between academic research and indigenous wisdom. The discovery has also highlighted the critical need for responsible archaeology. The controversies surrounding the expedition underscore the importance of rigorous, scientifically sound methodologies and ethical considerations in archaeological exploration. It's a call for transparency, academic rigor, and cultural sensitivity in unearthing and narrating the past. Finally, the public and academic discourse that ensued serves as a potent reminder of the power and responsibility that comes with interpreting the past. The fervor and debate reflect our collective quest to understand our roots and our journey. However, it also warns against the dangers of bias, sensationalism, and oversimplification. The integrity of history relies on the careful, balanced interpretation of its evidence and the inclusive, respectful representation of its narratives. The discovery in the Amazon jungle has set the stage for a renewed exploration of our shared past. It's a testament to the endless potential of human curiosity and the uncharted mysteries that our world still holds. It's a saga of resilience, innovation, debate, and discovery, each element enriching the tapestry of our collective history. As we move forward, this discovery reminds us to celebrate the diversity of human experiences, to remain open to new narratives, and to constantly question, explore, and learn. The past, like the future, is a realm of endless possibilities, a journey of discovery that we all share.